Welcome to SmartSpendAI, the channel where smart money meets smart technology. In today's video, we're going to explore how artificial intelligence is completely transforming personal finance as we know it. Whether you're budgeting, investing, trying to save more, or just avoid financial stress, AI is here to make it easier, faster, and smarter. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down how AI tools are being used to manage budgets, automate savings, eliminate debt, personalize financial planning, and even revolutionize how we invest. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's take a deep dive into the future of your money, powered by AI. Chapter 1: The Rise of AI in Everyday Finance. Let's start with the big picture. Artificial intelligence has moved beyond laboratories and billion-dollar corporations. It's now in your smartphone, your banking app, and even your online shopping cart. Today, AI is quietly running your money, from tracking your expenses to advising you on retirement savings. Think about apps like Cleo, that uses natural language to talk to you like a friend. Rocket Money, that scans your subscriptions and cancels the ones you don't use. YNAB, you need a budget, that uses proactive rules to allocate every dollar. The key difference? These tools don't just record your data. They act on it. They detect trends, predict your financial behavior, and even suggest better decisions, all without you lifting a finger. And we're only at the beginning. Chapter 2: AI-powered budgeting tools that actually work. Let's face it, most people hate budgeting. It feels restrictive, time-consuming, and hard to maintain. But AI makes budgeting practically invisible, because it works in the background. Take Cleo, for example. This cheeky chatbot analyzes your spending patterns, sets spending limits for you, and even roasts you when you're spending too much on takeout. Or Rocket Money, which finds all your active subscriptions, alerts you when prices go up, cancels unwanted services in one tap. Then there's Copilot, a beautifully designed AI budgeting app that links to your bank accounts and helps you visualize spending across all categories. You're no longer just tracking your spending. AI tools are coaching you, adjusting your habits, and holding you accountable, like a personal finance trainer in your pocket. Chapter 3: Automating your savings with AI. Saving money used to be hard. AI flipped the script. Now, tools like Digit and Capital analyze your income, your bills, and your spending behavior, and automatically transfer small amounts into your savings every day. Digit even pauses saving when it sees your balance is low, so you don't overdraft. Capital lets you create if this, then that savings rules. For example, every time I buy Starbucks, save $2 extra. If it's sunny tomorrow, save $5. This behavioral automation removes friction and makes saving feel effortless. You're not relying on willpower, you're relying on intelligent algorithms. Chapter 4: How AI is killing financial anxiety. Let's talk about mental stress. Most financial stress comes from uncertainty. You don't know what's coming, you're not sure how much you'll owe, and you're afraid of surprise expenses. AI fixes that with predictive models. Apps like Emma and Monarch can forecast your account balance into the future, predict bills and recurring expenses, send alerts before problems happen. You gain clarity, you get control. And when your mind is calm, your decisions get better. That's the power of AI as your financial therapist. Chapter 5: AI in investing. Smarter than your broker? Gone are the days of calling a stockbroker or guessing the stock market. Robo-advisors like Betterment Wealthfront, SoFi Automated Investing use machine learning to analyze your risk tolerance, automatically rebalance your portfolio, optimize for taxes. They can even harvest tax losses to reduce what you owe the IRS, and they do it with lower fees than a human advisor, often 0.25% or less. Plus, if you're using platforms like Public or Robinhood, AI curates investment news and insights tailored to your watch list, keeping you informed and in control. Chapter 6: AI plus banking equals next level personalization. Traditional banks are being disrupted fast. Neobanks like Chime, Revolut, and Monzo use AI to send you spending reports in real time, detect fraud, instantly offer dynamic credit building strategies. Even big banks are catching up. JP Morgan Chase has AI that flags unusual activity, suggests bill payments, and offers financial literacy tips. Soon, your bank won't just hold your money, it'll actively help you grow it. Chapter 7: AI for Debt Repayment and Credit Management. Struggling with debt? AI can help you attack it with precision. Apps like Tally or Undebt.it organize your debts, build a payment plan based on interest and balances, automatically pay your cards in the smartest order. Plus, AI tools like Credit Karma now use your data to show exactly how certain actions will impact your credit score before you do them. No more guessing games, no more damage control, just strategy. Chapter 8: Building Wealth with AI. AI isn't just about saving money, it's about building long-term wealth. Imagine having a personalized wealth strategy created by an AI that knows your age, risk level, and income, plans your retirement, automatically adjusts investments as markets change. Tools like Portfolio Pilot and Altruist are already doing this, and more. And as AI gets smarter, it will even optimize for your tax bracket, inflation rates, global market volatility. This isn't the future, it's now. Chapter 9: Global Access. AI is democratizing finance. Before AI, you needed wealth to get good financial advice. Now, with a smartphone and internet, anyone can access world-class tools for free or cheap. That's revolutionary. We're talking about financial equality at scale. From developing countries to high-income cities, AI is bridging the financial literacy gap like never before. Chapter 10: Building Your Own AI Assistant. Want to go even further? Use ChatGPT with your Google Sheets budget. Train it on your expenses. Let it answer questions like, where did I overspend last month? How can I reduce food expenses by 10%? Or build no-code automations with Zapier plus ChatGPT that send you daily savings reports, warn you when you're off track. Suggest financial goals weekly. You're not just a user anymore, you're designing your own finance AI. We've seen how AI is transforming every corner of personal finance, from budgeting to investing, from debt management to wealth building. This is no longer optional, it's the future of financial survival. If you're not using AI yet, you're not falling behind. You're just missing out on tools that could change your life. So here's your challenge. Try one of the tools mentioned in this video this week. Even a small change could unlock massive impact over time. Subscribe to SmartSpendAI for weekly videos that show you how to work less, save more, and build smarter with tech. And tell us in the comments, what's your biggest money struggle right now? Let's solve it together with AI.